Hey guys, I am Dwamjit, a Google developer, and today I am joining Google Cloud I/O event. So excited to join. So just be with me in it. Okay, I am going to tell you that how you can join. It's actually my developer's program profile, and okay, so I'm gonna tell you that how you guys can join. So simply by searching for the event, you guys come over across the page like, okay, just a second, I'm having some issue here. Okay, just a second. uh, you guys have to search for Google Cloud I/O page, and here it comes. So simply click here and boom. So I am going to join for Google Keynotes. So our wait is finally over. Okay, so have you guys scanned the code which previously shown to play the game? Let me show you the code once again so that you guys can easily scan it. So I am waiting for 3 seconds. You guys can easily do it. Okay guys, so have you scanned the QR code, and here it comes infinite scalar. So let's play the game. Okay, so was still DZ, like it's my ID. So just start the race. It's just for enjoyment. So just freshen up your mind. Okay, so let's play. Well, I am not too much good in playing the games, so just I have to play. Okay, so I know you guys can play much better than me. Oh my god, as I have already told you, I am not much good in playing the games, and I am keeping my record. Okay, well, I am not playing too bad, but okay, so it's over. I am not going to show you my scores. Okay, so I don't. Oh my god, how is it possible? After playing too much bad, I'm still at 19th position. So okay, so here I just wanna show you the game. So you guys also have to join this, okay? So moving back towards the event. Aren't these graphics too much impressive? Like they are attracting me too much. Can you guys just listen to the beats? Oh my god, it's too eye-catching. Just see the graphics. Wow. It's amazing. I'm impressed. Yes. Oh my god, it's too eye-catching. Just see the graphics. Wow. It's amazing. I'm impressed.
Definitely felt it myself. It's been an intense year. Here's a look at what I've been up to. Okay, I wish this was my year. Actually, the one of me plugging in the TPU is pretty accurate. So there's still more work to do before it's in space. We are working on that. On a serious note, it's been an extraordinary moment. It's been 10 years since we pivoted the company to be AI first. We knew how profound AI would be to advancing our mission and improving people's lives at scale. This is why we are taking a differentiated, full-stack approach to AI innovation. From our custom silicon and secure foundation, to our world-class research and models, to our products and platforms that reach billions of people. This approach enables us to iterate and innovate faster, and it's lighting up every part of the company. What's really incredible is how people are using our AI. Students prepping for final exams with the Gemini app. Musicians and artists using generative AI models like Lyria and Vio as part of their creative flow. Developers coding and bringing their ideas to life. I've been using Gemini in a myriad of ways. Recently, I've been turning to Gemini to make sense of my parents' doctor visits. I'm sure many of you have done a version of that. These stories of how people are using AI are the best measure of progress. To understand the scale at which people are adopting AI, there's another great proxy, tokens. The fundamental units of data our models process, many representing a problem being solved. 2 years, we were processing 9.7 trillion tokens a month across the surface is a huge number. Last year at I/O, that grew to about 480 trillion tokens. And fast forward to today, that number has jumped 7 times to 3.2 quadrillion tokens per month. Never imagined I'd say quadrillion in an IoT note, but here we are. Now some out there might call this token maxing, and there's probably some truth to it. I still think it tells an important story about our products and how others are building as well, especially our developers. Over 8.5 million of you are now building new apps and experiences with our models monthly. And our model APIs are now processing around 19 billion tokens per minute. Over the past 12 months, over 375 customers each processed more than 1 trillion tokens, representing incredible demand for AI across the industry. We are, of course, also seeing incredible demand across our products. We now have 13 products with over 1 billion users each. 5 of those have more than 3 billion users. Our Gemini models are a big reason more people are using our products and why they are using our products more. It all starts with search, which is bringing the benefits of generative AI to more people than any other product in the world. AI Overviews now has over 2.5 billion monthly users. And AI mode has been a revelation, our biggest upgrade to search ever. People love it. In just a year, it's already surpassed 1 billion monthly users. When people use our AI-powered features in search, they use search more. I love how search has become less about individual queries and feels more like an ongoing conversation, giving you deeper insights and connecting you with the vastness of the web. Another place we've been rapidly innovating is in the Gemini app. Last year at I/O, the Gemini app had 400 million monthly active users. Today we have surpassed 900 million, more than doubling in a year. In that same time, daily requests have grown over 7 times. It's incredible growth. We've been adding a lot of unique features like personal intelligence, which makes responses more customized and helpful. And today, more than 50 billion images have been generated with our Nano Banana models. There was a breakout start this past year. I know you all have been having a lot of fun with it. Beyond the Gemini app, we're also having much more natural conversations with Gemini directly inside many of our products. Recently, Maps got its biggest upgrade in a decade, including a new feature called Ask Maps. People are using it to ask more complex and much longer questions. Here is a real query from a parent. My kid just fell into the duck pond, and the wedding starts in 30 minutes. Where can I walk and buy a new dress? I'd like to hear how that turned out. We're also bringing this conversational AI to 2 more products. First, Ask YouTube. People come to YouTube every day to ask a lot of questions. It's a lot of great videos. Sometimes it's hard to know where to start. Ask YouTube entirely reimagines the experience. Say you want to teach your 3-year-old how to ride a pedal bike, and they already know how to ride a balance bike. Just ask YouTube. You'll see a couple of differences in results. The information is digestible and easy to navigate. You get an overview and helpful tips. You will see videos that best match your interest, so if you want to try a specific method of teaching, you can go deeper there. And best of all, it jumps right to the part of the video most relevant for you. Brings back memories of teaching my kids to ride. It remembers the context, so you can follow up with questions like, should I buy one with handbrakes or pedal brakes? Making it an ongoing conversation. It even lays out the information in a table, so it's easy to compare. We are starting to test Ask YouTube now, and it will roll out broadly in the US this summer. So far, we have shown conversational text queries. There are a lot of times I want to get things done at the speed of my voice. There is much more possible today thanks to technical leaps in our audio model. A new feature called Docs Live takes this to another level. To create a doc with Gemini before, you'd have to type up a really precise prompt. With Docs Live, you can just verbally brain dump whatever is on your mind and let Gemini do the rest. Let's see it in action with a demo from our product team. This is all in real time, not sped up.
All right, let's try this out. So I just remembered, I'm doing an alumni talk for my high school's career day tomorrow. I need to come up with some talking points to explain what I do for a living as a software engineer, but I'm not really sure where to start. Oh, actually, can you just pull my resume from Drive? Although, that might be boring. Maybe can you come up with some funny analogies so it'll be more of an engaging talk for the students? Oh, and also, I think the school sent me an email. I think the subject is something like career day logistics. Maybe just grab the details from there, throw them at the top of the doc so I know where to go and what time to get there. Let's just update those requirements and turn this straight into a draft. This is cool, but it's a little dense. Maybe format the analogies as a table so it's a little easier for me to scan. And also add a note to tell the story about how my brother inspired me to become a software engineer, sort of at the top of my doc, and bold it so I don't miss it. Yeah, that looks great.
In the future, you'll be able to create new docs and edit them directly, all with your voice. Docs Live is rolling out for Pro and Ultra subscribers this summer, and the same powerful voice capabilities will come to Gmail and Google Keep then too. Incredible to see the pace of innovation rolling out across our products. Supporting all of this at scale for our users, while also serving enterprises and developers around the world, requires massive investments in infrastructure. And we've been investing for today and for the future. In 2022, we were spending $31 billion annually in CapEx. This year, we expect that number to be about 6 times that, approximately $180 to $190 billion. A key part of this investment is our custom silicon. A decade ago, we announced our very first commercial tensor processing unit, or TPU, on this I/O stage. Since then, we have transformed how the industry builds for AI. We recently announced our 8th generation of TPUs at CloudNext. For the first time, we have taken a dual-chip approach with specialized architectures for training and inference, TPU 8T and 8I. While they may look similar, they're actually pretty different. 8T is optimized for large-scale pre-training, and it's nearly 3 times the raw computing power of our previous generation. We have taken a fundamentally different approach with our training infrastructure. With Jackson pathways, our training is no longer constrained by the limits of a single massive data center. Instead, we can now seamlessly distribute training across multiple sites, scaling across more than 1 million TPUs globally. This gives us the ability to create the largest training cluster in the world. For model builders, this means training larger, more capable models in weeks rather than months. TPU AI is designed for inference. We have dramatically improved speed at every step, because if we learn anything in 27 years of working on search, it's that latency matters. To give you a live sense of what this speed feels like, here's a prompt on an upcoming Flash model if it were running on 8i. I'll ask it to create a Chrome Dino game, push submit. The response is generated in real time. As you watch, take a look at the tokens per second in the top right corner. The speed is pretty incredible, nearly 1,500 tokens per second. It almost took longer to write out the request, and the game is pretty fun too. In addition to speed, we are also thinking about scaling sustainably. Both chips are more energy efficient, delivering up to 2 times better performance per watt. TPUs have been hard at work training for I/O this year. I'm told we have a behind-the-scenes look.
Hey, good weekend?
Yeah, just folded proteins across rare oncology data sets. You?
Simulated the next 50 years of climate data.
I made a picture of a pug.
What?
You ever see a pug dressed like an accountant?
No.
You wanna?
Alright, listen up, TPUs. IO's starting soon. We got a job to do. Actually, we got trillions of jobs to do. So clear your cache, damn it. Dry your fans. Let's fire it up! Hey, what are you doing?
I'm doing the montage thing!
Yeah, well, how about you montage your way down here and help out?
What? Like now? Alright, coming! Welcome to the limit. Stone sounds just keep your head.
I bet Timmy TPU will be ready to teraflop right into bed after I. Our compute innovations enable our advances. There are 3 areas where I want to go deeper today to show you the progress in each: models, coding, and agents. Let's start with the exciting progress in world models. With world models, AI is moving from predicting text to simulating reality. Demis and the team at Google DeepMind have been working to push the boundaries of what these models can do. Let me invite Demis out to share more.
So guys, that's all for till now. So guys, now and I'm going to share more updates of the event later. So get back soon.